Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good. The weather is good. And then, did you have your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. That's great. Um, so now are you ready to listen? Are you ready to learn today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before that, I will ask Raisa to lead the prayer.
Stand up, please.
Okay. Amen. Okay, now, please arrange your chairs and pick up all the mess. Okay? Now, take your seat. Everybody take your seat. I will call your name to check your attendance. If your name is called, say present. June,
Present.
Winnie Lou,
Present.
Raisa.
Present.
Okay. Nobody is absent today. Perfect attendance. Okay. Now, I want you to listen carefully in our discussion. So, because of that, I will divide this class into 3 groups. Okay? Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. I made this for you to get a point. I will give a points for the group that very energetic to answer the question that I'm going to ask. So the group that can answer, the highest points will be given 10 points, and 8 points, and the lowest point is 6 points. So are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the question is, who can recall our lesson last meeting?
Ma'am,
Okay, group 3.
our lesson last meeting is about basic tools and utensils of baking.
Okay, good job. Okay. Now, what are the basic tools and utensils in baking cakes? Okay, group 1.
Electric mixer.
Okay, very good. This is the example of electric mixer, okay? For mixing liquid ingredients, okay? Next. Okay, who will? Okay, group 2.
Measuring cup.
Okay, measuring cup. Okay, this is the measuring cup. Okay, the measuring cup will give us exact measurement of our ingredients. Example: one cup, 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4. This will help us measure our ingredients exactly, appropriately. Okay. Next.
Whisk.
Okay, whisk. This one, the whisk. Okay. Mixing also, it helps us to mix the ingredients. Okay, another example. Okay, group 2.
Spoon.
Okay, the measuring spoon. This is very important also when mixing like salt, baking powder. This will help us mix our measure the ingredients properly. Okay, next.
Measuring bowl.
Okay, group 1.
bowl.
Okay, the mixing bowl. Okay, like this. The mixing bowl, you can put all the ingredients and mix together in this kind of mixing bowl. Okay. Do you have any more questions about tools and utensils in baking cakes?
None so far, teacher, ma'am.
Okay. Now, our lesson for this morning is all about liquid ingredients in baking. Who can give me examples of liquid ingredients? Group 1.
Water.
Okay, water. Very good. Okay, now, Why do you think water is the cheapest ingredients of baking?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Why do you think water is the cheapest ingredients? Okay, group 2.
Because water you can found anywhere.
Okay, you can find it anywhere. Okay, now, what are the what else? What else? Other example of liquid ingredients?
Pasteurized milk.
Okay, the milk.
Milk.
Okay, why do you think milk is a good ingredients of making bread? Because it supplies liquid to the dough. Okay, the milk supplies liquid to the dough and butter mixture. Okay, so who can give me example of forms of milk? Who can give me example of forms of milk?
Unpasteurized milk.
Okay, unpasteurized milk. Unpasteurized milk is a milk from the goat or cow, or it's also known as raw milk. Okay, another example.
Non-fat milk.
Okay, non-fat milk or skim milk. This milk is the sugar. This is skim milk is good for those who wants to be sexy. Okay, you can. This is recommended for you because this is less of sugar. Okay, another of forms of milk. Any from the group?
No idea, ma'am.
Okay, another is you can evaporated milk. Okay, evaporated milk. What are examples of evaporated milk?
Alaska, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Another?
Croatian.
Carnation. Okay, another?
Cowbell.
Cowbell. Okay, that is example of evaporated milk. Evaporated milk is a forms of milk. Another example.
Daisy.
Okay, that is also example brand of milk. That is not forms of milk, but it is a brand of milk. Okay, another forms of milk.
Condensed milk.
Okay, the condensed milk. Condensed milk is a very sweet milk. Okay, very sweet. So that is why the sugar is very. It has a lot of sugar. The condensed milk. Okay, heavily sweetened sugar because the sugar acts as a preservative. Okay. Do you have another example? Any more?
Whey milk, teacher.
Okay, whey milk. That milk removes. Okay, the milk of whey milk remains after removing the protein, butter, fat in it during the process of cheese making. Okay, so that are the example of forms of milk. Okay, again, can you give me examples of forms of milk? 4. Who can give me 4 examples? Okay,
Milk.
next.
Unpasteurized milk.
Yes, another.
Non-fat milk.
Yes,
Condensed milk.
yes.
Evaporated milk.
Very good, group 1. Okay. Now, do you have any question about forms of milk?
None so far, teacher.
Okay, we will go to why do we need? Let's go to the uses of milk in bread. The 4 uses of milk in bread. Why do you think milk is very important when we bake cakes or bread? Okay, group 1.
To make it yummier and the texture will soft.
Okay, good
Make it
job.
soft.
Yes, correct. The milk is very important because it gives texture and it makes our bread delicious. Okay, another.
It will add
Wait.
volume in bread.
Okay, when we add milk in our bread, it will add a volume to our bread. Okay, group 1.
And the crust will be golden brown.
Okay, the color of the crust of our bread will be
Golden brown.
golden brown. Okay, and the last, why do we need?
Give
What
us nutrients.
Yeah.
Okay, very
Nutrients.
good. Do you know that milk gives protein, vitamins, minerals,
Nutrient.
lactose to when we add milk, it will give lactose, protein, minerals. Okay, and vitamins. Okay, do you have, so that is why the milk is very useful in our baking. Yes. Okay, do you have any questions?
None so far, teacher, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Okay, for our test, get 1/2 crosswise and you need to answer the following question, true or false, for test 1, and for test 2, enumeration. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer the question. Okay, everybody's finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pass all your papers. Okay. Now, to give you more additional points for this morning, I want you to participate in answering the test. The group that will answer, raise their hands before answering the question will be given points. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 1. Who wants to answer? Okay. Group 1. Blank. True or false, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Raw milk is unpasteurized milk. True or false?
True.
Okay, good job. Group 1. Okay, next. Who wants to answer? Okay, group 3. Blank. Water supplies liquid to the dough or batter mixture.
False.
Okay, what is the correct answer?
Milk.
Good job. Milk. Milk supplies the liquid to the dough or batter mixture. Okay, number 3. Group 2. Okay, number 3. Whey milk and condensed milk are examples of forms of milk.
True.
Yes. Okay, whey milk and condensed milk are examples of forms of milk. Okay, number 4. Who will answer? Group 2. Pasteurized milk from which fat has been removed, having only a fat content 5 or less. True or false?
True.
Oh, who can give me another answer? Group 1.
False.
Yes, what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer for number 4? Blank pasteurized milk from which fat has been removed, having only 5 fat content.
Raw
less.
milk. Oh, unpasteurized milk.
No. The answer is skim milk.
Oh.
Okay, skim milk, no fat milk. Skim milk is no fat milk. Okay?
Yes, teacher,
Just
ma'am.
only 5% of fat or less. Okay, number 5. Blank. Milk is the cheapest liquid ingredients in baking. Group 1.
False.
Very good. What is the cheapest ingredients of
Water.
baking? Okay, water. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now, for test 2, enumeration. Who will answer 6 to 7?
Ma'am.
Uses of enumerate uses of milk. Forms of milk.
Forms of milk.
Ano? Enumerate uses of milk in baking bread or cake.
It will add volume in the bread.
Yes?
Give color.
Yes,
For
okay.
texture.
Okay, just 2.
And
Group
then
2. Group 3, just 2. Very
okay.
good. Good job. Okay. Okay, next. 8, 9, and 10 for 3 points. Group 2. What are examples of forms of milk?
Evaporated milk.
Next.
Condensed milk.
Next.
Pasteurized milk.
Okay, good job. Okay. So now, I evaluated you. This class is very good class. All of you participated well, and I'm very happy for your active participation. So, for me, I can, from my list, the group that answers the highest group is group, will add group 1 got, okay, group 2 got 10 points, okay, group 1 got 8 points, and group 3 got 6 points. Okay, clap all your hands. Okay, a round of applause. Thank you for your active participation for this morning. Okay, for our next lesson, I want you to research, for the assignment, research 3 shortenings. Okay, 3 kinds of shortenings. Write that in 1/4 sheet of paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, research it. Do you understand?
Yes,
3
ma'am.
kinds of shortenings. Okay. So, thank you so much for your active participation. I'll see you next week. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye.